I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. Hey guys, it's Genevieve, and today I'm going to be doing a video on how to fix your highlighter or eyeshadows, whatever like powder that breaks. This one didn't really break, but it's kind of crumbling a little bit and it's falling off of the little tin. I'm going to try to fix it and smooth it out so it kind of expands to the same shape of the little tin. And I'm going to try to fix my Becca highlighter. It's all crumbled and broken. So if you want to see how I fix these, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to work on the highlighter first. I'm going to kind of just go in with my tweezers and kind of break up the pieces. That way it's just smoother and easier to work with. So I'm kind of getting it to smaller pieces. I really don't know how it broke. I think maybe from bumping into like other makeup in my makeup bag and stuff. I don't know. I try to take good care of my things, but sometimes things just happen. So okay, I'm just gonna do a quick little breakthrough of the pieces. Okay. So it's pretty much crumbled. I'm gonna get a regular rubbing alcohol. What I'm gonna do is put a little bit in this half a teaspoon. I'm gonna try using about 1 teaspoon and see how that works, see how that goes. So right now this is just half. Just gonna add this to the highlighter. Let's add a little more. So there's the other half. Okay. So now I'm just gonna mix it up. So I'm just dabbing / kind of lightly rubbing on the top of the highlighter to kind of smooth it out. Now I'm gonna get a paper towel and put it on top of it and just kind of tap it with my finger to kind of dry it and smooth it out. You could even use like a little round container just to kind of help smooth it and flatten it. Just kind of peeling it away. And then I'm just tapping it with my finger just to make sure everything is together, nicely stuck together, and blend it out. And once you're done with that, you're gonna let it, I'm just gonna clean it a little bit with my paper towel, just kind of clean around it a little bit. I'll let it sit for an hour or more. I just still wouldn't touch it to be safe. Right now this is what it looks like. A lot better than it did before. I'll insert a clip later on once it's dry to let you know what it looks like and how it comes out like on my fingers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.